Motion sickness. All natural remedies. Our inner ear system can get irritated when we are subjected to physical, visual, or virtual motion. The processes in our inner ears that maintain our equilibrium are thrown off if what we see does not match the motion we feel, and we may experience motion sickness. Symptoms of motion sickness can range from moderate nausea to dizziness, sweating, and vomiting. Travel by car, airline, train, or ship can trigger it, and it can sometimes happen abruptly. Here are a few of the best natural remedies available to help eliminate motion sickness quickly and safely. 1. Acupressure. There is an acupressure point along your wrist called an acuon point which can give you quick relief of motion sickness. Place the index, middle, and ring fingers of your right hand on the inside of your left wrist, starting under the crease. Your acuon point sits between the wrist tendons, beneath your index finger. For 4 to 5 seconds, apply strong pressure to one or both wrists to relieve your motion sickness. 2. Chamomile. Chamomile is a plant that soothes the stomach, reduces stomach acids, and relaxes stomach muscles. Chamomile tea is a great option for relief of motion sickness and can be found at most grocery stores. Consider steeping tea ahead of time, putting it in a travel cup, and sipping it hot or cold on your journey. 3. Licorice root. Licorice root is used to treat stomach ulcers, stomach acid irritation, digestive problems, nausea, and vomiting. Sucking on licorice drops is the perfect traveling option to ease symptoms of motion sickness. 4. Peppermint. Peppermint relieves nausea symptoms both orally and through aromatherapy. To relieve motion sickness symptoms, drink peppermint tea, chew peppermint gum, suck on peppermint candies, or use peppermint essential oil in a portable diffuser. 5. Black horehound. For years, herbalists have utilized black horehound, a mint family member, to reduce anxiety and nausea. Both black horehound candies and lozenges work equally well to relieve motion sickness. 6. Ginger. Ginger is one of the most effective and easily available natural ingredients for motion sickness, automobile sickness, and seasickness. It may be useful to have ginger candy, ginger ale soda, or ginger tea with you on your next trip. 7. Ice. Sucking on ice cubes might be a simple solution to calm the dizzy and nauseous feeling of motion sickness when no other remedy is available. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.